Hi, it's Steve. In this video, we'd like to show you how to change the door handle on your dishwasher. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. Now, since we will be working near some electrical circuits, the first step in this repair will be to disconnect power to your dishwasher. If your model has a cord on it, simply unplug it. If it's hardwired, you'll need to locate the electrical panel, turn off the appropriate breaker, or remove the appropriate fuse. Once we've done that, you can start the repair. Now that we've disconnected the power, our next step will be to open up the dishwasher door. And we're going to need to remove that inner door panel to separate it from the outer door panel. That involves removing the screws along the perimeter. On this model, they're a number 2 Phillips head screw. Now, once we've removed all of those screws, we'll separate the inner and outer door panels. Just tilt that inner door panel up, and then you can rest it up against the tub, and we can then do the repair. Now, to access that part, we first of all need to remove this cover over the door switches. It's held in place with clips on either side. To remove it, we're going to loosen the 2 on the bottom first. So simply take a flat blade screwdriver and gently pry those tabs outward, enough to release it. Lift up gently on it. Do the same for the opposite end. Lift that off. We're just going to set that cover aside for now. Now next we need to remove the door strike and spring assembly. To do so, just carefully lift up on the end of that strike and lift both it and the spring away from the housing. And again, we'll set that aside. Now, to remove the old handle, if it's still intact, we'll need to pry away the handle retainer on one end. Do it just far enough that we can pop that pin on the end of the handle out of the opening and simply push it down and out through the front, and you can discard the old handle. To install the new one, we'll just reverse that procedure. We're going to tuck that handle up through the opening, and we'll insert either end into place. Line up that pivot pin with the hole. Simply pry the opposite side far enough to insert the opposite pin. Verify that it hinges properly. We'll then replace the strike and spring. Make sure that when we install that strike, that the slotted opening on that faces down as well. The tapered portion in the middle straddles the 2 buttons on the switch. Now we're ready to put the cover back on. Now, when reinstalling that cover, make sure that we line it up so that the 2 tabs that are close to the center are on the top and the wider tabs are on the bottom. We'll start by installing that side first. Make sure the tabs are latched, then pivot it down into place and latch the 2 bottom. Now, with that cover in place, we're ready to put the inner door panel back in place. And next, we'll carefully lay that inner door panel against the outer door panel. Make sure that we don't pinch that harness. And be sure that the bottom portion of that inner door panel fits over the lip of the tub. Lay it down into place. And then we're ready to install the retaining screws. Now, if you're using a power driver, be careful not to strip these screws as they are going into plastic. And now we can close the dishwasher up. We're now ready to reconnect the power, and your repair is complete.